Good morning, dear students. Let's start statistics. Students, we are doing measures of central tendency. First is mean. In the previous lectures, I have explained to you about the mean, median, and mode, and we have done 3 questions of topic mean. Now, we start exercise 14.1 with question number 7. To find out the concentration of SOT in the air in parts per million, that is ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is represented below. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Students, हमें यहाँ पर given है डेटा आप देख सकते हैं दैट इज इन दी ppm. ppm मीन्स पार्ट्स पर मिलियन and the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. So students, mean के लिए जैसे कि in the previous lecture I have explained to you that only direct method will come in CBSE board. Deviation method will not come, that is deducted only for this session due to COVID pandemic. So students, यहाँ हम direct method से ही question करने वाले हैं. First here you can see the concentration of SO2 in ppm. This is given in the question and here is the frequency that is mentioned in the question. So first find the class mark. How can we find the class mark? Add the upper limit and lower limit and divide by 2. In this way we get 0.04 divided by 2, that is 0.02. In the same way 0.04 plus 0.08 divided by 2, we will get 0.06. And next is 0.08 plus 0.12 divided by 2, we get 0.10. Similarly, we find the class mark of the next interval. So students, mean formula is sigma fi xi over sigma fi. For that, we have to multiply fi with xi and multiply the corresponding values. In this way, we get fi xi. You can see here 4 into 0.02, we get 0.08. 9 into 0.06, we get 0.54. 9 into 0.10, we get 0.90. Similarly, we will find the next values. So students, here this is the summation, that stands for the summing up the numbers. We have to sum up fi xi. In this way we get 2.96 and also add up the frequency. We get sigma fi is equals to 30. By putting these values in the formula, we get the answer 0.99. That is the mean concentration of SO2 in the air is 0.099 ppm. स्टूडेंट्स, ppm लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आपको जो भी यूनिट्स दिए जाएंगे आपको वो आंसर के साथ यूज़ करना है, अदरवाइज आपका हाफ मार्क्स जो है वो डिडक्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, बी केयरफुल दैट. नाउ हियर इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं एक क्लास टीचर ने रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन किया है किसका? एब्सेंटीज स्टूडेंट्स का, ऑफ अ 40 स्टूडेंट्स इन अ क्लास, ऑफ अ क्लास फॉर द होल टर्म. कंप्लीट टर्म में एक पर्टिकुलर क्लास के 40 स्टूडेंट्स का एब्सेंटी रिकॉर्ड बनाया और क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि मीन नंबर ऑफ डेज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वॉज एब्सेंटीज क्या होगा. Mean, that means we have to find the average. So students, let's start. Here the number of days and the frequency all have given in the statement. So we find the class mark with the same method. First add the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, we get 3. 6 plus 10, 16 divided by 2, we get 8. 10 plus 14, we get 24 divided by 2, answer is 12. Similarly, we will calculate the next class mark. Now, we have to multiply Fi with Xi. So, you students, you can see 11 into 3, we get 33. 10 into 8, 80. 7 into 12, we get 84. And so on. And here sigma Fi Xi is 499 and sigma Fi is 40. Now use the formula mean sigma Fi Xi, this is the direct method, and put the values in the formula. 499 divided by 40. In this way we get the mean 12.48. So students, mean number of days of a student was absent is 12.48. This is the mean number of days a student was absent is 12.48. Now students, here is question number 9. You can see that the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. स्टूडेंट्स, आप इस क्वेश्चन को सेम डायरेक्ट मेथड से कर सकते हैं जो कि आपके सिलेबस में है 2020-21 सेशन में, बट आई एम शेयरिंग यू दी स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन मेथड एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर एज वेल, कि अगर आप इस मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं या डायरेक्ट मेथड से सॉल्व करते हैं, आपका जो आंसर है वो सेम आएगा. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम शेयरिंग यू द सॉल्यूशन. Do yourself this question. So you can see here mean literacy rate is 69.43%. Okay, so students, thank you for watching the complete video.